Hello, welcome back to Mog's Vlogs. Now, thought I'd share with you what I've been up to this evening. Not hugely exciting, a little bit of DIY. Now, I had a chair. It's next to me, I'll show you it in a minute. But it was made up with this material. Now, real comfy chair, real comfy. And I cut the legs off, bit of an angle, you know, bit of recline, and excellent for playing a bit of Xbox or just chilling out in front of the TV. But looked like rubbish, stupid old people sort of fabric, and thought it needed a spruce up, you know, have its place, get something done with it. So what I've done, got some of this black paint, because fabric paint was always getting some bad reviews, so I got the old black car paint on the go. Got the covers off, painted them black. So yeah, they were this. The only thing to cover it is black. So bit of a shame, but there we go. One day I might make some covers, we'll see. But did that, they're black. What I've done as well, got a little bit of satin wood, duck egg colour. God knows where it came from, it was in the garage. So, black, duck egg, sort of gonna go, right? So now, here's the chair frame. Check that out. So, you can see I've cut it down, but that should look alright. It's had one coat of paint. I'll get another one on it, and then we'll see what it looks like tomorrow maybe, when I've put it all back together. But thought I'd share that with you. Bit of DIY, bit of winging it. This car paint though, on fabric, does make it a bit rough. Just to warn you. But it doesn't look like it's going to come off. Now it's really baked on there. But a little bit of background. Taking the chair apart, it was a bit of effort. But essentially, hammer, pliers, and an old chisel. There are a whole load of staples holding the seats on, the cushions on. So got them off, split it all up. Of course, I just sprayed this straight on, like bit of cardboard down, spray it on, and it's probably, putting it on thick, it's probably the equivalent of something so stupid like 6 coats. Used a can and a half, and they're 500ml cans, so you can plan ahead on that one. If you've got a pale fabric, you can go for a pale colour and it'll be fine. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Anyway, paintbrush, tickety-boo, and we're nearly there. But what I'll do, when it's all together, I'll come back to you. We'll have a little chat, you can have a little look at it, and then judge on what you think. It's going to be a bit odd, black seat, but hey-ho, you'll be the judge of that.